Hello.
Hello.
So we've been asked if we would talk a little about Yiddish culture and Yiddish language. You can learn a lot about any culture by picking apart the vocabulary of the related language.
For example, in northern Japan, there are a lot of words for snow. French is full of words for romance. Russian is full of words for alcoholic, and so on.
So what is Yiddish full of words for?
What is Yiddish full of words for?
Give us an example.
Okay. Zun,
Son.
Zindel,
Son.
Ben,
Son.
Bnok,
Son.
Bechor,
Oldest son.
Mizinikol,
Youngest son.
Ben Yochid,
Only son.
Kadishnik.
Son. All right, so let's give it another example. Something is say a lot in Yiddish.
Okay.
Huh?
Ashod,
Unfortunately.
Nebuch,
Unfortunately.
Leider,
Unfortunately.
Nicht gedacht.
Unfortunately.
Nicht stehens gesucht.
Unfortunately.
Rachmana litzlan,
Unfortunately.
zum Badoren,
Unfortunately.
zum Zar.
Unfortunately. Let's do another one. Something that Yiddish has got a lot of synonyms for.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Nar,
Imbecile.
Tam,
Imbecile.
Ivan,
Imbecile.
Balvan,
Imbecile.
Vaizusu,
Imbecile.
Beheme Bezuris Odom,
Imbecile.
Pore Adume,
Imbecile.
Idiot Gomor,
Complete imbecile.
Ox,
Imbecile.
Ezel,
Imbecile.
Yankel Dondik, Avremele Melamed,
John Q. Imbecile.
Yold,
Imbecile.
Yola Patron,
Imbecile.
Terech,
Imbecile.
Tipisch Shibbetipsche,
An imbecile's imbecile.
Krime Kop,
Imbecile.
Kelbel,
Imbecile.
Kunje Lemmel,
Imbecile.
Moshe Yoine, Moshe Yokel, Yokel Ben Fleckel,
Various imbeciles.
Scheute, Schmoige, Shoeni Yedea Lishoel,
And three of their friends.
Schmendrik,
Imbecile.
Schmeckte mit Esik,
Marinated imbecile.
a Kop wie an
A
Eser,
head like an imbecile.
a Goylem a Fredlach,
Imbecile on skates.
Loksch,
Imbecile.
Leckisch,
Imbecile.
Loschik,
Imbecile.
Poyer, Chamoyer,
Imbecile. Imbecile.
Stick Holz, Stick Pferd, Stick Fleisch mit zwei Augen,
Would anybody care to guess?
Musik,
Imbecile.
Schlob,
Imbecile.
Helmer Chazens Indik,
The pet turkey of the imbecile cantor in the town full of imbeciles.
Chusser Deidike,
Imbecile.
Heusig,
Imbecile.
Kreuser Dus,
Big imbecile.
Chuchem von der Mannestanne,
Passover imbecile.
and of course the ever popular Shmuel Mordche Kalman.
Shmuel Mordche Kalman.
You think they're confused?
You put the initials together.
Put the initials together.
Yeah, they'll get it.
You think?
Yeah, they'll get it.
Okay. So, now you know how to say the most commonly spoken sentence in the Yiddish language.
Unfortunately, your son is an imbecile.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it.